Chad Belding coming at you from the Provider Outdoor Kitchen. Great recipe today. We call it our crispy skin mallard duck. First step, scoring the duck. And you just make slits straight across that skin and fat. After that, we're gonna take a little bit of our favorite olive oil right here at Napa Valley. Not a ton of it. We're just gonna use this as a baster and as some flavoring for our duck. And then Provider foul rub right there. It doesn't have any salt in it, so you can be very thorough with it. We're gonna take our Provider covey rub and just add a tiny bit to the top of that foul rub, massage it into that meat, and our mallard duck is ready to go on our Traeger. 300 degrees for about 25 minutes, internal temperature of right around 115, and then we're gonna take it off, reverse sear it to get that crispy skin. Please look how beautiful that mallard duck is. Score slits in it, the reverse sear, crispy skin. Time to slice and serve right up against that breastplate. You can see that perfect raspberry color. A little tiny squeeze of lemon juice on both of them. We're gonna take green onion, sesame seed mixed with black pepper, and then we're gonna take a mixture of a tiny bit of teriyaki, sesame seed, and soy, and we're just gonna drizzle that across the top of that duck. The Provider crispy skin mallard duck, reverse seared to perfection. Bon appetit. Good night.